Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I've been very anxious to start the van build, so while I'm waiting for some professional appointments, I decided to do a couple things myself. I was having problems with my Toyota Sienna liftgate where, as you can see, it would open and then immediately close. I took that to mean that the gas struts were just getting old and weren't able to support the full weight of the hatch. So I just started by supporting the hatch with this box that I have. Also, yes, that coat is super comfy. All I needed was that box, a pair of replacement struts that I got off of Amazon for like $20, and a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna take the screwdriver and place it right there underneath the clip. And then you just apply some force and pull outward. Be careful because it does take a little force. So now you're just gonna go to the base and repeat. To install the new ones, you literally just pop it into place the same exact way that the old ones came out. This time base first. To do the top part, you may have to extend the lift gate the way that I did, but be careful because the trunk is heavy. It is not supported by anything else. And you just pop that right on the top and repeat on the other side. When I was done, I had to first close my trunk manually before I could close it automatically. I have no idea why this is, but I spent about 10 minutes Googling it because I thought it was broken. But it worked. Please subscribe, like, and let me know in the comments if this helped you with your liftgate problem. You can also find me on Instagram. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully the next video will be the start of the van build.